Throughout our academic career, there's always at least one teacher who's left an imprint on our lives. The ones that believed in us, saw our potential, and pushed us beyond what we thought our limits were to create more capable versions of ourselves. Sometimes we appreciate it in the moment, and sometimes it takes years to realize they were the building blocks of the versions that we are today. They often taught us lessons that spanned far beyond the curriculum. Those were the lessons that stuck with us. To be rather than to exist. Thank you for being the parents that we didn't know we needed. Thank you for the lessons disguised as scoldings, for the affirmations, for taking up the mantle of being a teacher. In acknowledgement of World Teachers Day, we here at PBCJ dedicate this episode to all the teachers out there. I'm Raquel Robinson, and this is In Times Past.